Now, after the question number 23, I have taken question number 26. Why I have taken, you can see now. There are two partners, X and Y. Their profit sharing ratio given. X is entitled to 1/2 share of profit, Y is entitled to 1/3 share of profit, and rest constituted as reserve for 1/6. Understood? So, actual profit sharing ratio between X and Y will come, be a ratio of X and Y, 1/2 of the X and 1/3 of the Y. LCM 6, understood now. So 2 3 ja 3 2 ja, now new PL ratio or PL ratio of the X and Y will come 3:2. It is given in the fraction, you have to convert in the ratio, understood. And those part constituted as a reserve, it will not be taken because 1/6 is transferred to the reserve constituted by the firm, so it will not consider. After this, now see who has died at first. In this question, Y has died. Y is the deceased partner, this point is clear. And Y's share of profit 3:2 as per this 2/5. And he has died on 1st August. So duration from the 1st April beginning of the year till the date of death, it will be 4 months. So now it will be time 4/12. What is clear? After this, now share of profit. Here note it down at first, and now start to solve. Now Y's capital, write down Y's capital account, particulars amount, particulars amount. After this, see first of all what is the amount of Y's capital. You are seeing amount of Y's capital is 6,000. Write down balance BD 6,000 of Y's capital. After this, reserve has given 3,000 in here. In the part of profit which is constituted as a reserve, in which directly partners are proportion, month will be not considered. So here reserve 2/5 of Y, it will come 1,200. Okay. There is no drawings, no interest on drawings, no need to write. Now write down main two things. His proportion of profit till the date of death based upon average profit of the last 3 completed years. And last 3 completed years profits given there 4,200, 3,900 and 4,500. So total profit of the 3 years will come 12,600. Now share of profit of Y, that is the PL suspense. 12,600 divided by 3, we have to find out the average at first. Average 4,200, it is the whole year profit, and he has died on 1st August, so he is entitled to forget the profit only for the 4 months for his intervening period. That is the 4/12, understood, and his share is 2/5, so multiply 2/5, it will come 560. Noted down here 560. After this, now next, by way of goodwill, his proportion to the total profit for the 3 preceding years. Be careful, simply you have read at the time valuation of goodwill, average profit, super profit, capitalization, but here it has been given by way of goodwill, his proportion of the total profit for the 3 preceding year, पिछले 3 साल का total profit proportion. So total profit of the last 3 years 12,600, and his share will come 12,600 into 2/5, that is the goodwill. So total profit 12,600, his share 2/5, it will come 5,040. It's clear? So here by X capital X to Y, X capital is a goodwill 5,040. You have to add, you will get here 12,800 total. Or this amount will be transferred to where? In the deceased partners, executor's account, legal, whatever you can say that is. Okay, this is completed.